What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm just getting the day started. Had a great home workout. Had a little bit of decaf coffee, which still, I'm drinking the decaf coffee, which is great. Getting ready to head over to Panera Bread. And man, the last 3 days has been probably some of the best sales days that I've ever had. And I know I've been making a lot of videos like this. And again, I hate to come off, all braggadocious and trying to make it sound like, oh, look at me, I'm so great. And I always say that, but it's like, I have to remind people, I'm not doing this to show off. I'm doing this to literally try to get you guys to start doing eBay to Amazon. The money is out there. And I say this so many times. I am not special. It's literally just a system. It's literally a process. And you don't need 9 virtual assistants like me. You don't need to have a prep center. You don't need to be spending $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a month on inventory or more. You could literally start by spending $20 a week and then $50 a week. Literally, just get yourself a free account to Replen Catcher, okay? And feel free, cancel on day 13, 23 hours and 59 minutes left. Like, you don't have to pay anything. Just try it out. Literally, I'm not trying to get you guys to just purchase Replen Catcher and give me money. Like, I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to play with it. I want you, it sounds so bad. I want you to test it out. I want you guys to just see what it's like. I mean, in the last 3 days alone, now granted, I've been building my eBay to Amazon business for going on 6 years now, but in the last 3 days, I had a $9,300 day, I had a $9,600 day, and then I had, I think yesterday was like $5,000. So it was like an average day for me. I did almost $25,000 in sales in the last 3 days. Now, of course, that's not all profit. I'm not putting it all in my pocket. I am growing my business substantially. I'm reinvesting a lot of money back into my business. But the net margin on, $25,000 is around 20% after paying 9 VAs, prep centers, 10% refund rate, tools, softwares, everything. So that's like what? $5,000 in 3 days, which is literally incredible. And you might be thinking, well, can I do this, Steve? Like, can I actually do this? Yes, you can. You can absolutely do it. And I'm going to try to get this video out today so you guys can see this. But I have a workshop going down today at 1 p.m. Eastern. Now, the good news is, well, there's good news and bad news. Bad news is if you're not a member of Replen Catcher or Reselling Freedom, it's $47, okay? But if you are a user of Replen Catcher or you're a part of my community, resellingfreedom.com, where we do coaching calls every week, it's less than $1 a day, 500 plus hours of coaching calls, a course, everything, right? It's what I wanted to build to help people on a budget without having to enroll in a $3,000 coaching program, which is nothing wrong with it. People pay, they pay attention. But if you're a member of either of those, today, 1 p.m. Eastern time, I have a workshop going down all about how to build a replens list, okay? All the best ways to use Replen Catcher to build a replens list, how to start flipping on eBay to Amazon. Now, I'm really focused on how to build a replens list, and I've got about 6 or 7 different methods. There's 3 main little secrets, I guess you could call it. I guess they're not secrets, but for me, I'm really going to break down how I'm finding these products, how I'm diving deep into just a few brands, right? And I'm going to have you guys shout out some brands and stuff, and I'll share with you how to actually build a replens list and track and monitor these items 24/7 on eBay, even if you're gated in a ton of products, okay? But I love it, guys. I absolutely love it. And I'm literally screaming at the top of the mountains. And I don't want anything from you guys. Literally, like I said, try Replen Catcher, cancel on day 13. You don't need to pay me a cent or a penny. Just try it. And once you start making money, once you start flipping these items and you realize, holy crap, like, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with going to thrift stores and library sales. Like, I'll be honest, that's way more fun than eBay to Amazon flipping, like treasure hunting. It's so much fun. But if you want to scale your business and you're at the point where you're like, I just wish I had more inventory. I wish it was coming to me. I wish I could just literally do it from my computer. Maybe you already have a prep center and you can just buy the stuff on the computer, right? With Replen Catcher, get it shipped to your prep center. I use Little Owl Prep. You can have them package it all up. You could have them ship it all out, and Little Owl Prep is so freaking amazing too. Again, I'm not affiliated. I'm not getting paid. It's like, I know in a lot of my videos, like it feels like I'm pumping softwares and I'm pumping, like, I guess I'm pumping Replen Catcher because I built it and I want to sell it and it works so well. But like, I have a system that works. I want to be very clear. I have a system. I have tools that I use that work just phenomenally well. They work extremely well. So why would I not want to promote these things that are working? I've literally built a system that prints money. And lately I feel like people are, allergic to making money, because I'm literally telling people, and I'm screaming from the top of the mountains, and it's not like I have some $5,000 program that I'm trying to sell. I'm literally trying to freaking give people this opportunity almost for free. I mean, you could try everything for free and start testing it out. And it's like, people don't want to do it. They'd rather quit selling on Amazon. They'd rather go do Amazon influencer program, which that's great, but you're just buying yourself a job. Or they'd rather just, dabble with these other business models on Amazon that are just such slow selling products, or the margins are absolute junk and there's tons of competition, or you're importing products and all this stuff. And it's like, guys, are you allergic to making money? Do you not like making money? It's absolutely insane. The people who are in the Replen Catcher support group, the people that I do coaching calls like 4 to 5 times a week. I've been doing a lot of calls. By the way, if you ever want to do a call, I do a lot of free calls. I've probably talked to 20 people over the last 2 weeks on calls. And I really do love helping people. Now, I do have paid coaching as well that you can check out down below. But from time to time, I offer a lot of free coaching and helping people. And people are killing it. They're absolutely crushing it with eBay to Amazon. And, I just encourage you to try it, right? Come to the workshop, learn how to do it. You don't have to pay any money. I mean, I guess if you're not a member of Replen Catcher or Reselling Freedom, then it's 47 bucks. Whoop-de-doo, $47 to learn a skill that could literally make you thousands of dollars. It could literally make you thousands of dollars. And the same people that are crying, like, I don't want to pay for a tool, I don't want to pay for a software, I don't want to invest in anything. They're just guinea pigs. They're hamsters on a wheel, just going through the same process all day in, week in and week out, month in and month out. Same results, same life, same job. The same people who invested $20, $30, $40, $50, $100,000 in school. Now, I get it, right? Don't invest in anybody that you don't trust, if you don't like, if you don't think that they're being honest. And if you feel like that about me, then so be it. But I don't care if you like me, okay? Because I know what I'm doing is working. I know that it's making money. I share all my numbers transparently. I do more than almost anybody else does in the Amazon community in terms of sharing what I'm doing and transparency. So at the end of the day, find someone that you resonate with, right? But take action, invest in it. But man, eBay to Amazon, it's getting better and better. There's less and less people doing it. I don't know why. I think people are just scared of Amazon, or maybe they don't want to. People talk a big game, right? Oh, I'm going to crush it in business. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm going to make it happen. And then I'm literally screaming and telling you how you can literally do something for free. And these same people, they won't even try it. They won't even attempt to do it, or they'll just scratch the surface. I made a video yesterday about why 90% of people fail. They'll try it, say, it doesn't work, Steve. What did you do? They spent 12 minutes on it and they gave up. I'm gated in everything. Just go get a 9-to-5 job if that's the case. But man, I mean, eBay to Amazon's been printing money lately, 25,000 nearly. It's like 24,000 and change in the last 3 days. I mean, and I'm not special. Anybody could do it. There's so many different categories you could flip, from board games to toys, office supplies, electronics. I mean, I flip so many different items. And again, I am not special. That is literally the main message I want to get out. I'm not special. I don't have any special advantages, outside of obviously having 5 years of experience, but that's business. You've got to build your experience over time. You're not going to just replicate my results, but I'm not special. Anybody could do this. And, you're not gated in everything, okay? And if you are gated in everything, that means you probably haven't sold anything, and you've got to put in that sweat equity. I'm so sick and tired of people thinking you're just going to get results doing nothing, okay? So let's wake up from La La Land, okay? Let's put in some hard work. Let's put in some effort, and let's get rewarded. With eBay to Amazon, there's a lot of rewards. There's a lot of profit on the other side if you put in the work. But nowadays, a lot of people, they don't want to put in the work.